Hey kids, today we're just going to further look at, dive deeper into the types of rocks. So we're going to do that through Tim and Moby. I might stop it now and then to point out some important facts.
Dear Tim and Moby, what are the different types of rocks? From Sandy. Rocks are split into three basic types: igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Magma is molten material from deep inside the earth that comes
Okay, again, magma is the molten material from inside the earth coming up through the volcano here.
to the surface through volcanoes. You may know it as lava. That's what it's called when it's above ground. Igneous rocks form when this molten material cools. Not all of the magma makes it out of the volcano. The rocks that form when trapped magma cools are called intrusive igneous rocks.
Okay, so when the magma cools underneath earth, remember it's intrusive.
See those big crystals? Trapped magma takes longer to cool than magma that reaches the surface. This gives the atoms time to arrange into big crystals called mineral grains.
Again, that's real important. The intrusive rocks have big crystals, mineral grains. You can see them.
Extrusive igneous rocks form from the lava that flows out of volcanoes or from magma found very near the Earth's surface. Lava cools pretty quickly when it gets near the Earth's surface, so extrusive rocks have much smaller mineral grains than intrusive rocks. What? Sure is hot down here. Hey, that's a metamorphic rock. The rocks below the Earth's surface are under a lot of pressure from the rock layers above. Enough heat and pressure will turn those rocks back into molten magma.
Okay, so heat and pressure, again, the key words for metamorphic.
But if it doesn't get quite hot enough for the rocks to melt, the rocks will be cooked and smushed into a new type of rock. Metamorphic rocks have mineral grains that are flattened and aligned. An igneous rock can be transformed into a metamorphic rock when enough heat and pressure are applied. So can a sedimentary. Okay, how'd we get here? Oh, those are sedimentary rocks. They're made from bits of eroded rock, mineral grains, and plant and animal remains that have been pressed together over time. Lots of times, sedimentary rocks form from the remains of other rocks. The layers are important because the oldest rock is at the bottom.
Okay, that's a very important fact, and we've not talked about that a lot. But the oldest layers are at the bottom. That just makes sense, and then everything piles on top of it from there.
True, if you were to dig in and upset the layer, some old rock pieces might be overturned and moved to the surface. What are you doing? We'd better get going. Moby?
All right, guys, we'll stop it there. Make sure you get your questions answered by tomorrow. I'll make them pretty easy, I hope. And if you need anything, let me know.